Sublistar Flex DTF Printer and Shaker. Sublistar's new powderless DTF printer integrates both glue coating and powder shaking functions to meet diverse process needs. Using glue instead of traditional hot melt powder eliminates the powder shaking step, making the workflow greener and simpler. Printing, drying, transfer. Glue coating plus powder shaking in one machine. Easily switch between traditional powder process and powderless glue mode to meet diverse production needs. At the forefront of eco-friendly printing, this system eliminates the need for powder, reducing waste and ensuring a clean, odorless operation, perfect for indoor use. Compared to traditional DTF printing, the powderless process delivers a softer touch and improved breathability, ideal for garments requiring comfort. The glue-based process replaces traditional hot melt powder, significantly reducing dust and pollution, ideal for environments with higher safety and cleanliness standards. Built-in auto-cleaning, auto-moisturizing, white ink circulation, and low-temperature nozzle protection, greatly reducing clogging risks and minimizing manual maintenance for worry-free operation. Equipped with a 1.5L bulk continuous ink tank and compatible with bagged ink installation, ensuring long-term printing with fewer refills. Robust and stable body, shock-resistant and durable for long-term reliable operation. Equipped with a 7-inch industrial-grade PLC color screen for a clearer interface and smoother operation, enhancing the overall user experience. Double drying efficiency with dual heat ovens and dual filtration. Built-in permanent purifier requires no replacement, reducing maintenance needs. The Sublistar Flex DTF machine uses a breakthrough eco-friendly glue technology to produce prints that feel as soft as natural fabrics, while significantly reducing energy costs and meeting global sustainability standards, creating a cleaner, more profitable future. Upgrade your printing equipment now and embrace the new era of intelligent production.